Hey there, welcome to my channel. So my customer brought in this car and it's a 2006 Toyota 4Runner, and the problem of this car is that it is rough idling and it doesn't even rev right when I try revving it or listen to the sound of that engine. And now from the sound alone you could tell that this engine is misfiring somewhere, but we won't know until we use a scan tool to know what the ECM tells us. So I recently bought this Bluetooth scan modeled ELM327, and I just want to see how good this piece of device can read the fault code from the ECM in this car. And the first step is to plug in the device to the OBD-II port under the dash and turn on the key to ignition. And once I've done that, I'll be switching to record my mobile phone screen. Right now I'm gonna switch to my screen. I've plugged in the Bluetooth where it's supposed to connect. You can see it's connected. So I'm going to switch to to record my screen. And as you can see, the device is already connected to the Bluetooth of my phone, and for the app that I'm using Car Scanner, and you can see it on the screen, and you can find the app on Google Play. You can also use the Talk OBD-II app, which you can also find on Google Play, but I think it's not free, but the Car Scan app is free. And you can see that it is all connected, and you will know when it shows you the green lights for both ELM and also ECM. So let's go ahead and click on Diagnostic Trouble Code, and it leads us to this interface where we have to choose different systems to scan. And considering from the signs that we've noticed from the car, I'll just pick a few systems like the engine controlling the transmission, and you can see it says #1, #2. I really don't know what that means, but I'll click in all of them so it can give me a full scan of the entire system. And after that, you go down and click on the read the fault code and wait some few minutes, and you can see it actually works. It brought out the trouble code, and you can see that it shows knock sensor again, and you can see the crankshaft positioning sensor. That is number one suspect there, and also the cam positioning sensor, circuit malfunction, position sensor, sensor A bank 1, sensor A bank 1. Okay, bank 1 should be at the right side because the engine is facing straight. So maybe I'll probably give you guys a detail on how to know the bank 1 and bank 2 of engines, but I think this actually works. This device gives us a very good information of where to start to diagnose, to make repairs on this car. Definitely the faults that you can see, camshaft can cause that, and also the crankshaft, most importantly, can also cause those misfiring that we're seeing. So yeah, the device works. When you click on the fault code, it takes you directly to Google, where you could get additional information about the fault code that you see, and also how to go about making repairs on it. And it also has the option of clearing fault code, and I'm gonna do that a bit now, so just look at it. So it can also clear the fault code once you're done fixing the car, but I've not yet fixed it. I'm just trying to show you guys that yeah, it can also clear the fault code once you're done. And these are like the kind of functions you find in bigger diagnostic machines, and that's it. You can see that I've cleared the fault code now. So if you don't have money to buy a big old scanner, you can still get this. Still get to read the fault codes out of the system, and you're good to go. Like and sub to my channel, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.